All right, so today I got a special delivery from California out of San Bernardino. Shout out to Marcos out there. He sent me something for my 21 Harley. Let's see what it is. Let's see if I can get this posted up right here. That way we can see what. Boom. Get you set up. Right there, right there, right there. So let's see. Got my Cali 5-inch stretch bags right here. Again, I have to get them painted and whatnot, but it's all good in the hood. I'm gonna use my lids. So this is it. This is them. I'm excited. And what I did on my bike so far, I don't know if a lot of you bikers do this, or the ones that got bikes or whatnot, but you can't see it, but I put a PPF, which is a paint protection film, because all the rock chips usually hit right here on your fender, and it usually gets hit up here too. But I already put the PPF right here, so this is all covered already. And I went ahead and, let me take this off real quick. My blanket. I went ahead and did the back end right here. Did the PPF right here as well. So this is all covered up. So that way when my blanket roll's not scuffing up the paint, stays nice and clean. So it's got the oil change, the 3-hole change on this. So little by little, but you know what? It's gonna come along just great. Put those on. That's a must. But so yeah, I'm excited about this. It's going to be putting on some miles this summer for sure. These are going to go to the shop here tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and put them on right now and see if they match up to these shorties. So I'll come back once I have them on and see what you think. Alright, so there's a quick fit. That's where it's going to hug right around the tailpipe there. So I'll use my lids and get this painted and see how the process comes along. Can't wait. Alright, so I got my bags in a couple of days ago, and now I'm starting to wet sand them so I can get them painted. I'm getting pretty stoked. Make sure that's water. Yeah, that's water. Oh shoot, that is not water. That's water and alcohol. What the heck? Grab the wrong one. All right, here we go. This is water. So, yeah, I'm stoked. I'm gonna do as much work on this bike as I can, not only to save me money, but to go ahead and have that full-on hands-on experience about owning your bike and having a bike and whatnot. Day before yesterday, I just went and paid the taxes on the bike, and now I just gotta wait for my my title to come in. So I hope everybody out there that has a bike, whether it's a Harley, crotch rocket, whatever it is, there's nothing like that same ease in the breeze. It's just a whole different world for the ones that never been on a bike when you're on a bike. It's a whole different world. Whole different atmosphere. You know. I'm excited. I'm excited, I can tell you that. A little more water. We got a car show coming up, what is it? Next month, I believe, over in Tacoma. And Paula's Magazine's putting that on. I'll be entering my LS down there, and I don't know if I'm going to be showing a lot. I think I'm going to just be riding. You know, I was going to do this thing. My kids say that they watch my channel, right? So, the 4 of my kids that say they watch my channel and this and that, if you're the first one, daughters or son, that gets this, I'll give you $50. We'll see how long it takes you to collect that, to see if you even watch my channels. And if you guys know my kids, don't tell them. So let me show you what the bag looks like. This came with the design on it right there. I don't know. I was talking to the painter and stuff. I think we're gonna try to save that. I kind of think that's cool. So I don't know. We'll see. Right now I'm just scuffing everything up, getting all this. But I'm stoked. I'm gonna go process by process. I'll go ahead and show you guys, you know, the procedures I'm doing and stuff like that and whatnot. I'm not gonna film everything I'm doing on this bag. You know, I just wanted to show you guys that I am doing the work on the bag and do as much as I can. Learning experience, a fun learning experience. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on this, and we'll get back on track once I get far enough for the next step. So we're gonna end up doing the bags tonight. It's already been a week process. Alright, so these are the bags that I got right here. So my boy right here, he's patching it up, taping it up, not patching it up, taping it up. One step closer. Final stage right here, let the clear begin. Here's the final product right here. There's the man with the plan. But this is the final product right here. 5-inch California stretched bags. Boom. Oh yeah, a lot nicer. Shout out to my boy Marcos at IE Baggers. He sent me these bags. They already had the graphics on there. Shout out to my boy Junior for getting them in that same night I asked him. He goes, let's do it. Shout out to him. Much appreciated. Oh yeah. All right, till next time. Let's ride.